In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to pay Fairmoney loan without app. Let's say you have already take a loan from the platform and you don't have access to the app again, and you're just interested in paying back the loan you borrow from the platform without app. All you just have to do is just find their customer support phone number and tell them that you actually don't have access to mobile phone and you would like to send back the loan that you borrow from their platform. So you can see the Fairmoney phone number on the screen right now. So contact them and let them know that you are very much interested in paying back the loan you borrow from their platform. Then the next thing they're going to ask you is to provide your phone number, how much you borrowed, and what is exactly amount you would like to pay back. Then when you're trying to pay back the loan you borrow, it has to be from your own personal account that you use to borrow the money, because they understand the fraud purpose, because there are some people out there that might borrow money through their own account and also want to pay back with another person account, which is not done that way. So you have to pay back the money through your own account. So that is how it works and how you can pay Fairmoney loan without app.